Hey fam, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Nye. Now let's dive right in. So I'm going to show you guys the sequence. Now let's break it down. This is the first clip. This is the second clip. This is the third clip here. Fourth clip and fifth clip. So if I actually highlight all this, and if I do Command R, it'll bring up my speed ramps or all of my timing for my video. And as you can see on the first clip here, it's regular speed, and then I increase the speed, and that's just a speed ramp. And then on the second clip here, I just sped up the whole thing. And what I did on this clip was I added motion blur because of this little turn point here. And what I tried to do with the first and second clip was I tried to match this first part and this second part as if it was one whole sequence. And then I added a little sound effect. And then the third clip is really only the second clip. I just kind of slowed it down to kind of enhance this part. But the real complicated piece, I would say, this here. And so what I did was on this clip here, all I did was Option, and then I just dragged that clip on top to create another clip of the same video. And then inside here, I just use 𝗙𝗡𝗘𝗏 AI to mask out the boat or the ship. And then this top part here is 𝗙𝗘𝗠𝗏, which is also a plugin from Motion VFX. And if you think I said Motion VFX quite a few times, that is because that is where I get most of my plugins, and I'm also subscribed to their Cine Studio, and I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel talking about all of those things. But without getting too distracted, what we did was if we keep on going, you'll notice the ship kind of turns upright. And then we added a little bit of special effects. And that's that whole clip. And if I select this, and if you go over here, what 𝗙𝗘𝗠𝗏 allows you to do is it allows you to essentially take the camera. I think of this as like the easiest way to explain it. But it allows you to essentially put the camera in 3D space, so you can play with all kinds of stuff. But I'm not going to go into too much detail because that could be another video in itself. But as you can see here off to the side in the inspector, what I did was on the camera x-axis, I put -27, and the camera y-axis, I rotated to +3. And so that's how I got that little motion where the camera kind of flips. And the reason why I put it into a compound clip is so that I don't affect this bottom piece here. So if I actually disable this part, you'll just notice that. But if I push B again and disable the bottom piece, you'll notice that's what it does. So press B again. So now going on to the fourth clip. So the fourth clip is really the second clip And for whatever reason, with the motion blur, I couldn't reverse the clip. So essentially what I did was the same exact thing. So the two clips, I just put it into a compound clip. And then after that, I just reversed the clip. And to reverse the clip, you just got to go to your time. And then right there, that's your reverse clip here. And then the fifth clip, same thing. It's the first clip, this clip here. All we did was create another compound clip. And to create a compound clip, all you have to do is do Option G. And then from there, same exact thing, reverse the clip. So if you did this and did R, you'll notice here it says reverse normal 100%. And then after all that, the only thing I did was put some wash here, kind of sell the turn, added some motion blur, and this top one here is a adjustment layer. If I press B again, and because these were off the same clip, I didn't really have to do much in terms of trying to match up the two cameras. I was able to just apply adjustment layer and then put a LUT and then do some color grading instead of having to match the different clips and then do the color grade. So yes, so now the last thing I would do is, if it was the actual clip, I would put some music on the bottom just to enhance the mood. But other than that, as we can see, now it just goes. And there you go. So let me know what you guys think of the video. If you guys like this type of video where I show you the sequence and then I break it down. If you've made it this far, support the channel by gently tapping the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you know when I drop a new video. On top of that, feel free to like, comment, and you can even share the channel as well. If you like this video, I have a whole playlist over here. Thanks, fam. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video.